Subliminal TV.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on where you're at in the world. I am Eric and you're watching Subliminal TV. Today, what I'm gonna do is, I'm meeting with my good friend Alex. He has a silver Porsche as well, my Porsche is silver of course, so we're gonna put them together, just do some random photos, roller shots, some video footage. It's no occasion, just something we felt like doing, or at least I felt like doing. I had the idea the other day and I told him, hey man, if the weather permits, which is a little cloudy, but it's good enough. It's a little overcast, but it'll work out. So we're gonna get these photos, get some videos, and yeah, that'll be a video for today. See you guys soon. I got the 85mm on. I'm gonna do a few still shots.
J like the letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission the same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain.
The ultimate 1835. I think everyone knows about the whole Lumix 1835 combination. Most people do it. Went from the GH4 to the GH5. Of course, now I'm running GH6. I have a lot of lenses. I can't seem to get enough of this lens. Okay, look guys, I don't want to bore you with all this setup of this gimbal and all the other things and monitors that I got to set up. So when you see me again, I'm just going to be moving this gimbal around. My people hasn't gotten here yet. I'm here alone right now. It's almost like putting a gun together. Now it's real gloomy. I like that look too. So I wanted to get as much of this as I can before the sun actually tries to come out. So I came ahead of him. So of course, this is gonna be only this Porsche for now.
Same, you ain't have a clue. I'm in the game and untouchable, cause I got the flame and this is the proof. Loading my tote, I still want all the smoke. We ain't talking about jokes, we just talking about more. I see all of my goals and it's looking like gold. I ain't asking for hope, cause I know that it's shoulder rated. That's an understatement, I ain't coming later. The abundance came when I allow my bosom to the loving grave.
So done with the shoot. Got some pretty good rollers, I must say so myself. I think we got some good rollers anyway. I got mostly slow motion with the gimbal, but I got some pretty good rollers. I think I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of it. You tell me if it's garbage or if it's dope. So now we're gonna go and get some chicken wings at Taco Mac, which is a place that we usually frequent, and they got good wings, by the way.
Rolling A's, I've been legit since the 7th grade, and it's safe to say I control the wave, control my speed, control my pace, clean the G's, let's hold the grip.
Why you keep moving spaces?
Because Alex parked close to this side, so if I park close to this side, it's going to ding my door.
Yeah, this gift is a benefit. See, I hate that nigga saying to me. Ever see me chillin', plotting on millions and counting these bendies? Just know I got them straight from him again.
J like the letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission the same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race.